everyone, welcome to episode 40 of Learn With Me. Our topic today is e-marketing models. E-marketing is a digital marketing, but you make it short and it sounds very professional. So it's called e-marketing. There's like a lot of things which go with e-marketing. Basically, it's digital marketing. It is in the internet. That's e-marketing. Starting with our first one is SEO, search optimization. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But SEO, you need that for when you're searching or when you're trying to optimize your website, your Instagram, anything that you want to rank on Google, Yahoo, and other types of search engines. Number 2 is content marketing. Content marketing will help, number 1, since if you have content, you can rank them, and it helps with the e-marketing. So that is number 2. Number 3 is social media marketing. When you acquire these skills, they are quite important, and these are the models for marketing, for e-marketing, since we are talking about that today, and that is number 3. Number 4 is email marketing, my favorite. And these are like the 5 ranking ones, so they are from like how to do them until the end. So number 1 is search, and then try to optimize your content, do it with social media. And now is email marketing. When you get your people, you can put them in a funnel using email marketing. You can send them posts, you can send them your blogs, whatever type of marketing you are doing or business model. So that is number 4, email marketing. Number 5 is original product content. If you're a service-based or a product-based, you can create your own original products or content. Look. Right now I have my sesame oil. Since I'm creating a original content for my business, I will need to use search engine, content marketing, social media marketing, and so far I'll be embedding my business with email marketing, and I'm trying to keep you here updated with what I'm doing right now, since this is a community where we can talk about what we are doing, how we can help each other. That is number 5. And in the next episode, episode 41, we are going to be talking about the roles of e-marketing. So that will be excited. Hopefully, if the schedule goes as planned, you guys will be getting the 5 roles of e-marketing. And that is episode 40. And I'm going to be seeing you in episode 41.